Thank you for joining me for my Pinterest review Mother's Day edition. In this episode, I will reveal to you 6 pins that will make for an affordable and relaxing Mother's Day. Our first pin comes from onegoodthingbyjolie.com. She creates a DIY exfoliating loofah soap by cutting a whole-length loofah sponge into slices and then putting them into the soap mold. After that, she fills up the rest of her soap mold with her essential oil homemade soap ingredients. This soap gives moms the luxury spa feelings that they deserve. Next, Mom, you deserve a massage. FitSugar.com pins a foot massage that will get you going again. A simple tennis ball or racket ball rolled back and forth under your bare foot can prevent foot injuries that could sideline your 5K run. HealthyLifeTricks.org brings you grandma's tricks that make your nails grow super fast. Some advice found here includes oil-based napkins for polish removal. They advise to pre-hydrate your cuticles with oil before gently pushing them back with bamboo sticks. These tips used regularly will help your nails heal so that you can go to your next manicure with healthy nails. MakeandTakes.com pins a DIY face mask for moms and teens made with matcha powder, egg whites, organic honey, and lemon juice. The matcha powder shrinks your pores and removes oil from the skin, reducing inflammation and redness. You're going to love the way your skin feels after this treatment. After all that relaxing, you deserve a DIY frappuccino. Cooktoria.com pins a coconut coffee smoothie that will re-energize you. Their recipe blends coffee ice cubes, almond milk, almond butter, coconut flakes, honey, and bananas. This will cost you a fraction of the cost that a commercial brand smoothie or iced coffee would cost you. Finally, wrap up your evening with a relaxing free audio book. SouthernSavers.com details how to get free audiobooks so you don't have to subscribe to an expensive membership. Did you know that books can be downloaded in their entirety on YouTube and then can be saved to your computer by going to clipgrab.org? Who knew? Well, now you know. Thank you for joining me for this Mother's Day edition of Pinterest Review. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there and to my daughter-in-law who is raising my only grandchildren. Go out and pin it to win it.